What's up everyone, this is Tiffany with thegearlady.com. Last year I hiked the Grand Canyon from rim to rim in one day. It was about 26 miles. Absolutely the most difficult thing that I have ever done. I must be a glutton for punishment because I signed up to do it again in a few weeks. I wanted to share the 5 pieces of gear that are an absolute necessity if you are going to be hiking the Grand Canyon rim to rim. I do want to preface this really quickly by saying I am not an expert. I'm a normal person. This is like peasant level explanation here, but I got you. The first piece of gear that you absolutely need, wait for it, good hiking shoes. You're gonna think this is ridiculous, and it is, so I'm just gonna take full accountability. Last year when I hiked the Grand Canyon rim to rim, I was wearing Nike running shoes. If you are going to be hiking the Grand Canyon rim to rim, you want to get some good shoes. And I love these because they're trail runners. So they're going to be good for all of the different phases of hiking the Grand Canyon. And there's a lot, but they're great for all of them. I have a full video all about these. I will link it below. Second thing that you need is a good hiking backpack. Last year before I did the Grand Canyon, I went to Shields and just asked one of the employees, like, I don't know what I need, just tell me what I need. And he highly recommended Osprey for a pack. And at the time I was like, okay, whatever, just kind of took his recommendation. But I'm so glad that I talked to someone knowledgeable because this Osprey pack seriously is amazing. So I will link this one below. They just have thought through everything. It has some pockets here in the front, so as you're hiking, you can easily grab things out. It has extra storage space here. I mean, it is just such an amazing backpack. If you're gonna do a really strenuous hike like this, you need a good pack. Number 3 on the list is something that a lot of people don't think about, but it's actually electrolytes. So this is just one way that you can get electrolytes. I'll link some ideas down below. That hike is outdoors, it's out in the sun, and it is so strenuous. So it's like the 3 combinations of things that can be so dangerous. And so make sure, well, make sure you get electrolytes and make sure you don't drop them. We got it. Number 4 on the list, headlamp. So you want to make sure that you're prepared. You're going to be starting out probably really early in the morning. It might not be light enough out, but especially when you're hiking out at the end, you know, hopefully you are unbelievably fast and there's still plenty of daylight, but the chances are it's going to be getting darker and potentially dark by the time you get out. So you want to just be prepared. It's better to be safe than sorry. Have a headlamp in your pack. The 5th thing that I absolutely recommend as a total must-have, I had some energy jelly beans. Make sure that you have some type of energy jelly bean or chew or something that can give you that extra boost to help get your little rear end out of that Grand Canyon. That's my gear recommendations for you if you are looking to hike the Grand Canyon or really any long hike in general. If you wouldn't mind liking this video down below and hit that subscribe button, it would mean so much to me.